kind of want to wait to do this tomorrow, but at the same time, I really want to get it out of my Jeep. You know, and what if I come across another dryer or something? I won't be able to get it in. There's only a little bit of space left over, so unfortunately, you know, if I had a shed or something, I could put this stuff in. I mean, I got a scrap pile out there. I'm gonna have to start getting rid of scrap soon, very soon. It's just like it gets so cold, and we end up with like snow, and then we have a thaw, and everything is mush and mud. It's hard to get a vehicle back there by my scrap pile. Okay, guys, today I gotta get this out of the Jeep. I gotta take this all apart, this dryer, get the cord off, get the motor out, get the wires out, and after that, take it all apart, put it out in my scrap pile, and then bleed the brakes on the Jeep. Of course, it's not screws, it's a special tool I'm going to have to get with and use a handle. Okay, so here's the wire where the wire connects. Some nice brass fittings in here. If I had a little storage area, I would definitely hold on to this dryer and try to get like $60 for it, something like that, you know. But obviously they got rid of it. Something's wrong. Probably work. I don't know. See, I'm like skeptical. It probably works. So who knows? This thing probably works. If I had a little storage area, I could keep it and just put it up for sale. That would be pretty cool to do, but I don't have a storage area, and I should eventually get myself a storage area. Okay, nice cord. Nice cordage, guys. Wow. Throw that in there. Okay, let's remove this cover. Nice piece of scrap right there. And I gotta disconnect all these things. I'm not sure if there's some copper in here or some brass in here. There might be. Got all these little brass fittings in here. Back here we got our wiring. We got more brass fittings all over the place. Here, brass. I'm not sure about this one. Let's pull everything off if we can. Get my snips and just yank them off. There we go. Good to have one of these, just to get these off. Sometimes there's like two different kinds of most stuff. That's most of it, guys. Let's pull up what I can here. Oh, yeah. Okay. Wow. It's all copper. It's all copper wire. There's a few sensors, I think, that you could pop these brass pieces out of there. I need a little bucket to start collecting this brass. Look at that. I changed my camera, hopefully, to 1080p instead of 720p. 30 frames per second. Why? Because that gives me a little bit, couple of hours of recording time. Now if I record at 720, I'll have 4.5 hours recording time. If I record her at 1080p, It's like 3 hours and 20 minutes, so it's not too bad. If I do 1080p at 60 frames per second, it's only an hour and 20 minutes. So here we are, some more brass ends. We got to cut all these ends. There we go. And some more brass. Some more copper. Okay guys, here's the drum of the dryer. I took the plastic vents off it. Here's the top and the lid. Here's the rest of it where the motor is down here. I'm going to take that bolt out right there. The rest of that copper. I'm going to see if any of this is copper. It depends. It might be, or just might be aluminum. And here's the rest of it in a pile. Okay guys, right here you can see something shining. That's aluminum. Okay, that's aluminum. Right here we look at this, that's aluminum. So the days of copper being in wash machine motors just ain't no more. Maybe a very little bit of copper to get everything started, but that's about it. Like right here, that's about all the copper you get out of there. Cast aluminum, that's about all I'm after on this motor. Put it with the other. Some nice brass in here. Some silver ends as well. Got quite a bit of copper here. Not bad. So gotta go over there, out back in there. Not bad. I got another dryer to pick up. That's the crazy part of this all. So not only did I have one dryer I was working on, took that apart, now I got another dryer to take apart. Quick look at this stuff. All these screws gotta come out of there. There's a nice garbage can. The lid. Oh, full propane tank. Ah, shoot, I meant to get rid of this thing too. Yeah. Did the guy a favor. I took some things hose. I'm going to cut the brass ends off of there. There's another basket. Basket I could use for cans or whatever. I need is buckets. I'm thinking this is aluminum grill, so that's got to come apart.